This is Padmaksh and I'm in grade 11 and this is my AI project, Heart Disease AI Predictor. Problem and solution. Heart diseases are the leading cause of deaths globally, amounting to nearly 17.9 million deaths annually. It is of grave importance for cardiologists to diagnose and treat them as soon as possible. For this, doctors perform multiple tests and analyze a variety of health parameters for diagnosis, which requires immense precision and excellent assessment. With the help of this AI classifier program, doctors could now cross reference their evaluation. Additionally, it could also be used to train other junior doctors for evaluating their diagnosis. Heart disease classification. This is an AI classifier program with the target variable being the diagnosis, with the two labels being diagnosed with heart disease and not. The code uses correlation coefficients to measure effect of the independent columns on the target variable. Then it implements the algorithm with the highest accuracy, which in this scenario is random forest classifier. The original dataset was also cleaned from outliers using box plots. The big five ideas of AI. Perception. The portal can interact with medical grade equipments and extract the parameter values for an instant prediction. Representation and reasoning. The dataset has been sourced from the UCI repository with patients of Cleveland Hospital. Inferences have been made for the entire population. Learning. The AI can learn and improve predictions through more data points in future. Natural interaction. The doctors can directly enter the parameter values on the website to get predictions. Societal impact. With the help of this AI classifier program, doctors could now cross-reference their evaluation and it could also be used to train other junior doctors for evaluating their diagnosis. Earlier, people needed multiple second opinions costing them more time and money, which now could be prevented. AI ethics. Fairness, the dataset does not discriminate based on age, gender, or race and views them all as data points. Reliability and safety, the dataset has been sourced from the UCI repository and established a reliable library for data sources. Privacy and security. The dataset consists of several health details which are sensitive and must not be directly associated with any known particular patient. Thus, the identities of the patients have been kept as anonymous, only listing their IDs as numbers. Inclusiveness. The AI could be used for any patient worldwide and by any knowledgeable technician and doctor. Transparency. The parameters in the entry fields are known to the user. Thus, the inputs and outputs are clear. Accountability. Random forest classifier is a reliable algorithm with an accuracy of nearly 90% and the dataset is also cleaned thoroughly. So as you can see, I have made a Python project, a Python code for this in the Jupyter notebook. So firstly, I removed the outliers from this. As we know, outliers are data points which are quite further away from the rest of the data points and that could offset the uh, algorithms and so they must be removed. So as you can see, I've removed them using box plots and I found these data sets for the parameter of owl speak and then I've removed them. I've done so forth for the other columns as well. I've also made a correlation map just to find out if there were any redundant columns with very strong correlations. And fortunately, I didn't find any of them, with the highest being only highest correlation only being 0.54. Here's the website I made for with the backend being the AI project. So let's enter some values for this. As you can see, I've got the result. No patient does not have heart disease. Let's have a different set of values. And as you can see, I get the result. Yes, patient does have heart disease. Thank you for watching this presentation.